Hey everyone! Ready to make some magic in the kitchen? Today we're tackling a classic that everyone loves, homemade garlic bread. It's super simple, incredibly delicious, and perfect for any meal. You'll need a loaf of crusty bread, like a baguette or Italian loaf. Then grab half a cup of softened unsalted butter, 3 to 4 cloves of minced garlic, a quarter cup of fresh chopped parsley, and a pinch of salt. That's it. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In a small bowl, combine the softened butter, minced garlic, chopped parsley, and salt. Mix it all together until it's beautifully combined and fragrant. Now, slice your bread lengthwise, or into thick slices if you prefer. Spread that glorious garlic butter mixture generously all over the cut sides of the bread. Don't be shy. More butter means more flavor. Place your buttered bread onto a baking sheet. Bake for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown and the butter is bubbling. For extra crispiness, you can broil it for the last minute, but watch it closely. Carefully remove your golden aromatic garlic bread from the oven. Slice it up and serve it warm. It's the perfect side for pasta, soup, or just as a delicious snack. You just made restaurant-quality garlic bread at home. Enjoy every single bite.